morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Hannah.
We hope that everyone at Highland, from students to staff members, had a great summer break. But it's time to get back to work with doing some essays, quizzes, projects, and teachers planning out their lessons for each week.
Chill, bro. It's the third day of school and you're talking about work already?
You're right. I'm sorry. But let's get into the announcements for today.
First, if you're trying to talk to your counselor, you will need to email them because they're going to be super busy. If you don't know your counselor, check out this graphic on the screen and take a picture. Remember to email your counselor if you have any questions about your class schedule. Second, the first football game is happening next Friday against East Bakersfield and the biggest rivalry here at Highland. The game starts at 5 p.m. for JV. Also, Link Crew is hosting their tailgate event for freshmen only, starting at 4 p.m. nearby the band room and gym. Freshmen will get a free ticket and meal for the game. No backpacks are allowed at the stadium.
Third, we have some exciting news that we have a new principal for this new school year. She's here to help us succeed and grow each day at school. Her name is Mrs. Donez. If you see her, make sure you say hi and let's show her what makes Highland truly special.
Now we will go on a commercial break.
We'll be back in a few moments.
Welcome back, Scots. I'm Marlene, a senior, one of the PAC reps of 2024 through 2025. The PAC is a representation that provides a comfort space that may be hard to find within adults. We extend our respect, time, equality, and support. We will provide our best abilities to help all of you around campus. No judgment in room 5L. I hope you all had an amazing summer. Now push forward through the new school year. We believe in you all.
Hi Scots, I'm Lauren and I'm one of your PAC representatives. One of PAC's main goal is to make sure you feel like you're safe and not alone. Our mentors here are to help guide you, support you, and help lead you to success here at Highland.
Hi, I'm Georgie, a senior at Highland, and I am a PAC representative. The PAC stands for Plaid Advocacy Center. The PAC is a safe zone where kids can be themselves without feeling judged. The PAC is a place where you can go if you need anything, and we will always have an answer. The PAC does many things, including always having a student mentor to talk to while at school. If a student is wanting help, advice, or even someone to talk to, we will always be there for you.
In honor of our Battle of the Blocks game against East, we are now selling t-shirts in the finance office for $25.
Remember to get them before they sell out.
Welcome back, Scots.
The ASB team and PAC team will be making special announcements on Scots Weekly throughout the school year, so be ready for them because they put in a lot of work here at Highland. Hey Hannah, I have a question for you.
What is it?
What does PLAID stand for at Highland?
PLAID stands for Pride, Leadership, Attitude, Integrity, and Determination.
Great job. Maybe your second period teacher can give you some PLAID points, or Mr. Zavala.
Alrighty, here's the final announcement for today. Are you looking for an elective this school year?
Well, Highland added 3 new classes for students during the summer.
First, do you want to be a teacher after high school? This class is called Highland High School Pedagogy. It is a dual enrollment class with Bakersfield College, plus MBS will be your teacher.
Second, do you work off campus during the school year or would like to work on campus? This class is called Work Experience Class. This class is offered during zero period with the one and only Mr. Finch.
Finally, the last class that is new is called AP Computer Science, where you'll be learning the fundamentals and getting college credit as well. This class is with Mr. Whitfield.
Talk to your counselors ASAP, but remember to email them.
That's it for today.
Thank you for watching.
And always remember to
PLAID up!